Hello children, this video is for your new EVS lesson. I'm sure you all have enjoyed in your vacations, in your holidays, right? And you all did your school homework as well. Your holidays homework was based on the theme or the concept neighborhood. Yes. Your holiday homework was all about the neighborhood places. So before we start with this chapter neighborhood, I want to tell you about what is neighborhood. Okay, so first of all, you just tell me, where do you live? Where do you live? You live in a house. You live in a house with your family, right? Now, when you come out of your house, what do you see around you? What do you see around you? You see different houses around you. है ना? There are many other houses around your house. है ना? And many different families live in those houses. Right? So all those people who live in the houses near they are your neighbors. They are called your neighbors. When you come out of your home, you see many houses. And many families live in those houses. And those people are your neighbors. Okay. What are they? You call them your neighbor. Right? Now you know about what are neighbors. है ना? How do you behave with your neighbors? Can you tell me? You should be very polite to your neighbors. Don't shout. Speak politely to them. Okay? And make sure that you don't make noises and disturb them. Don't speak so loudly in your home that the people living in the home next to yours, they get disturbed. है ना? Sometimes your neighbors complain, your children make lots of noises, we can't sleep, है ना? So you should not disturb your neighbors and be always ready to help your neighbors. Okay, be helpful for your neighbors. So this is the way you should behave with a neighbor. Okay, fine. Now you know about neighbors. Now we will move away. We will move a little away. Okay, you are out of your home. Start moving from your home. Just imagine the situation the way I am telling you. Move away, go straight. Take a left or take a right, whatever. Now what do you see? You might see many kinds of shops. Chemist shop, food shop, grocery shop, ice cream shop, right? Or a market. Or when you move on, you might see some schools, right? Or you can see hospitals, right? Or you move, you can see police station, post office, temple, library, church, gurdwara, है ना? You see so many places. So all these places are called neighborhood places. All these places are called neighborhood places. Right? Now you know about what are neighbors and what are neighborhood places. Neighbors are the people who live around you. And what is neighborhood? Neighborhood is the area around your home. The area around your home is your neighborhood. Now in that area there may be a hospital, there may be a shopping mall or a supermarket or a school or a temple or a gurdwara or a post office, right? All these places are neighborhood places. Now we begin with our new chapter in EVS, chapter number 6, My Neighborhood. My Neighborhood. Before we start reading, let's do this little warm-up exercise. Identify this picture and tell me the name of the place. What is this picture? Very easy. And I'm sure you all missed this place. है ना? Yes, this is the school. SCHOOL. This is the way we spell school. Now, can you identify this picture? What picture is this? Market. Yes. So, M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. This is how we spell market. Okay, this is the favorite place of every child. I know. What is this? Park. P-A-R-K. Park. And this one? Temple. T-E-M-P-L-E. Temple. And what place is this? This is a library. This may be a new place for you. Library is a place where you can find any book to read. You can go to a library, take a book and read a book and keep it back and then come back. Okay, so library is a place where you go for reading the books. L-I-B-R-A-R-Y, library. When you come back to school, I will definitely show you the library, right? And this is another place, church. Church. People go to temple, church, gurdwara to pray. So C-H-U-R-C-H, church. So these are the neighborhood places. Okay, now let's read the chapter. Let us visit the places in our neighborhood. This word seems to be complicated, a very big word, but you should know how to read it. Okay. See, you can split this word, you can break this word ne. Also, you have to learn the spelling of this word. Okay, break ne. N-E-I-G-H. N-E-I-G-H. Neighbor. B-O-U-R. Bur. B-O-U-R. Bur. Hood. H-O-O-D. Hood. So, neighborhood. Neighborhood. Okay. Now, let's move on. The area around. Area. A-R-E-A. The area around our homes is our neighborhood. There are many people and places in our neighborhood. We should know. K-N-O-W. Here K is silent, so we will read it as know. We should know our neighborhood well. Okay. Now, what is a neighborhood? The area around our homes is our neighborhood. Okay. The area around your home is your neighborhood. There are many people and places in your neighborhood. Okay. Now, let's read few of the neighborhood places. Number one is school, market, hospital, post office, police station. Now we will read about them. Market. There are many shops in a market. We buy, B-U-Y, buy fruits, vegetables and groceries at the market. This may be a new word for you, groceries. Grocery means any food item. Any food item. There are many shops in a market. When you go to a market, there are many shops. You can buy fruits, vegetables, any grocery. Grocery, any food item. You can buy ice cream, spices. There are many things. Hai na? So, you can buy those things at the market. Now, see, this is the picture of a market. Okay, let's move on. Hospital. There can be hospitals in the neighborhood. There can be hospitals in the neighborhood. There are doctors and nurses in a hospital. They look after sick people. We can also buy medicines from there. Now, you might see hospitals in your neighborhood, right? Why do we need hospital? Why do we go to the hospital? When we get sick. When we fall sick, we go to the hospital. In a hospital, there are doctors and nurses. They look after us. And we can also buy medicines from the hospitals, right? Okay, let's move on. Post office. Now, what is a post office? Post office, in like today you have mobile phone, you can send messages to your friends or relatives who are very far away from you. But when this facility was not available in the past time, people used to write letters. People used to write letters on envelopes or postcards. Okay, they will write envelope and postcards and they will put it in the post box. This is the post box. Okay, they will put it in the post box. A postman will come and take out all the letters. He will read the address from the envelope or the postcard and then he will deliver that letter to that particular address. Okay, so let's read about post office. We buy envelopes, stamps and postcards at the post office. We can send letters by dropping them in a post box. A postman delivers letters to us. Okay, so post office is a place from where you get envelopes and postcards and stamps. You can write letters and drop them in the post box and postman will deliver those letters. This is a post office. This is a post box. You drop your letter here. Next, police station. Police station. The police station is the office of the police. You all know about police. And I know many of you are scared of police. Hai na? So, what is police station? It is the office of the police. The police keep us and our neighborhood safe. They look after all the thieves so that they don't trouble us. Okay. So, police station, what does police do for us? The police keep us and our neighborhood safe. So these are the neighborhood places. Now let's move on and look at some more neighborhood places. Places of worship. People go to pray. What is worship? When we pray to God, that is called worship. When we pray to God, people go to pray at places of worship in the neighborhood. There are temples, churches, mosques and gurdwaras in a neighborhood. See, this is a temple, church, mosque and gurdwara. When you want to pray to God, you go to these places, right? Now, next, be a good neighbor. I have already told you how you can be a good neighbor. Let's read about it. Many people live in our neighborhood. You know, many people live in our neighborhood and they are your neighbors. They are our neighbors. We should be polite to them. Polite means you have to speak soft. When you speak softly and when you don't shout. We must not make noise or disturb our neighbors. We must help our neighbors. We should also keep our neighborhood clean. Okay, so how you can be a good neighbor? You should help your neighbors. You have to be polite to them. Do not disturb them by making noises, and be helpful. Also, which is very important, you should keep your neighborhood clean. Many a times what do? You take your rubbish and throw out of your home in your neighborhood. Don't ever do that. Okay, so today you have learnt about neighborhood places. Now you have, your homework is you have to read this chapter thoroughly. It is very interesting, so do read the chapter. That's all. Bye bye.